Get the best personal loan in Singapore. How to apply for a personal loan in Singapore. Most banks and financial institutions follow a set of criteria when they're considering you for a loan deal. To get the best loan and interest rates in Singapore, here are 6 steps to follow before filling out a personal loan application. 1. Compare your loan options. Weigh your options by determining the loan type that best caters for your financial situation and goals. Loan types. Financial needs. Secured loans require the presence of a guarantor or collateral. The guarantor is responsible for paying back the loan should you default, i.e., failure to make repayments on the personal loan. If you present a house, car, land, or any form of collateral, the institution will take possession of the collateral until you fully service the loan deal. Unsecured loans. No collateral or guarantor is required. You may be asked for proof of financial stability to ensure that you can make timely repayments. Personal lines of credit. Borrow funds in fixed amounts without repeatedly applying for loans. No set repayment period. Beneficial for long-term expenses like hiring the services of a contractor to find the best home renovations. Car loans. Depending on the financing rules deployed, there are typically 2 forms of car loans found in Singapore. Conventional car loan. This type of car loan provides personal funds for individuals to purchase a car with an interest rate calculated and set on the funds. The interest rate could be on a floating or fixed basis. Personal loan for a car. To successfully apply for the best personal loan in SG via Lendela, you are required to earn a minimum of $1,600 per month. Residency. Most of our banks and financial institutions grant personal loans to Singaporean citizens, permanent residents and EP holders. Age. You are expected to be between 21 and 61 years old to apply for the best personal loan in SG with Lendela. 3. Finish the application process. Many credit issuers provide online-based applications in addition to applying at their branch office. Usually, you'll be required to tender various documents and personal data to the issuing institution before or during the loan application process, including government-issued ID. You need to provide a passport, driver's license, or other forms of government-issued identification when the bank is processing your personal loan application or when you are collecting the loan disbursement. Proof of income. Some banks may ask you to provide payslips from the last 3 to 6 months, or your bank account statements. If you are self-employed, banks may demand tax returns from the previous 2 years of the most recent 1-year statement for both current and savings accounts. Proof of residence. You need to prove your residential address by providing your latest local utility bills, local telecommunication bills, or local bank statement, credit card statement. 4. Wait for a message of approval. Your online application for a personal loan will be acknowledged electronically, and you'll be notified as soon as a bank returns with a pre-approved offer. These are the 2 stages to hurdle past before getting your loan. The pre-approval phase. This is the provisional approval stage, which involves less time as the bank is assessing your credentials as a borrower. A pre-approved offer is also called an in-principle approved offer. This designation is given while they await supplementary information from you, which could range from additional payslips to papers summarizing your debts or assets. The credit issuer still needs to fully acknowledge your personal loan application and evaluate your credit before granting you full approval. The final approval phase. Final approval on your loan application is usually given when you have supplied all required information to the bank and passed its eligibility criteria. The bank will then grant you a personal loan contract that details the amount you are borrowing, the interest rate, the final amount to be paid, as well as other vital information attributed to your loan deal. 5. Loan disbursement. Banks can fund your personal loan through various means. For example, when you obtain loans for debt consolidation, the bank may send the money to your creditor directly. The disbursement process takes no more than 1 day in Singapore.